Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Time now to check in on some momentum stocks and see which way the momentum is moving on them. My guess is upward. Michael Vodicka, who's our momentum stock analyst at Zacks.com, will confirm that for us, though. First one he's going to confirm is TransDigm Group, TDG, the ticker symbol. Fresh off the heels of a very solid first quarter.
That's right. Yeah, we're in the heart of earnings season right now, and they posted pretty solid first quarter results February 3rd, in which their sales were up 11% and income was up 44% from last year. Mm-hmm. And of course, they beat the estimate. They reported earnings per share of 78 cents, was a 20-cent beat. They're backing up just a little bit, though. I wanted to talk about a little bit what they do. They design and manufacture aircraft components. Okay. They service both the private sector and the public sector. And that was interesting to me because I dug a little bit deeper. What I found out is that they've seen some strength from government spending here supporting the commercial sector a little bit, which kind of makes sense. I was asking, where is their growth coming from? Right. They operate both domestically and internationally, and they've got a market cap of $1.86 billion. So, cool. Fairly sizable company. And again, getting back to what you said, they just had the really nice quarter here. And after they reported the quarter, they went ahead and lifted their full-year guidance, and now they're looking for full-year revenue between $149 million to $158 million. That's about $10 million from where they were before. So that's a nice little raise right there. And then as far as how it relates to the chart here, we have seen a fairly nice rally with TDG since about late November. Share price was trading at less than $25, and recently it broke above short-term level of resistance right about 36, and now it's hovering above that area. So from a technical perspective, that's what you want to look for. You want to see that it's established itself in higher territory.
Then there's Brinks Home Security, CFL, the ticker symbol, and we don't have to guess what they do. They're in the home security business.
Yes, they are. This is kind of an interesting company here, too. As you said, they do home security. They operate primarily in America, domestically, United States here, but they also do a little bit of business in Canada. Market cap of just over $1 billion. And it was kind of an interesting stock because I think it's kind of a playoff of really what's happening economically right now. I think people are concerned about securing their assets and also just personal safety here because we have seen crime statistics tick higher a little bit here in light of the downtrodden economy. So that definitely fits into what they're doing.
Well, what caught me is your first sentence. They recently eclipsed their all-time high after crossing above the $25 mark.
That's right. Yeah. They did do that. It was kind of a short-term level of resistance here. And really, that's a playoff of the fundamentals here. They just reported a great quarter, February 18th, and solid revenue, and their income was up 20% from last year.
What's the market cap on this company?
Market cap, $1.01 billion.
So not too bad, not too shabby.
Yeah, it's a fairly sizable company, not a micro cap, but it's in the more small cap, mid cap range. Mm-hmm. And like you said, getting back to the chart a little bit, they've been on a pretty nice rally since the end of November here, and recently, like I said, they just hit an all-time high above 25, so looking pretty solid.
And the momentum still seems to be on the upswing for them.
Yeah, definitely. Moving forward here, in terms of estimates, the current year estimate is at $1.58 per share. So that puts their PE multiple at about 14 times. So that's right in line. A little bit of a premium, but fairly reasonable.
Do you own either of these two companies?
No, I do not.
All right. If you would like to check out some of the other momentum stocks that Mike has written about recently, go to Zacks.com. Glance over to the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. That's where all of the Zacks Rank Buys are listed. And click on the headline right next to the momentum listing. And it will take you right to his most recent stock and give you an archive of some others as well. With Mike Vodicka, I'm Terry Ruffalo.